Hi guys, this is Mark Davis at Optimum Technology Transfer. Welcome to you all. In this video, I'm going to take a look at using the replace function in Excel. You may be aware, if you've seen various other videos of mine here on YouTube, you may well be aware, you may have gathered that one of my favorite categories of function in the function library are the text or string functions, wonderful functions for cleaning or tidying up your data. And I've created quite a few other YouTube videos to illustrate exactly how these text or string functions do work. But it's the turn of the replace function today. Now I've got a series of order IDs. Now the order ID for each of these rows or records that I've downloaded from some other system are made up of 2 numbers followed by 4 characters followed by 3 other numbers. That's the string that kind of makes up the order ID. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to standardize. So what I want to do is to replace the differing 4 characters, kind of somewhere in the middle there, with a standard string of my own choosing, and that's where the replace function comes in. So bear with me for a moment. Let me just insert a column and copy my heading, my caption there. Okay, so equals RE, down arrow and tab. There's the replace function, the various arguments, old text, start num chars, new text. They are all required arguments, very clearly indicated there. There are no square brackets. Now the piece of text that I'm interested in manipulating in some way, shape or form ultimately is whatever's in A2 at the moment. That's my first cell reference. Comma separate. Now the 4 characters kind of in the middle there somewhere start at the 3rd character within that string inside old text. Comma separate, the string that I want to replace is made up of 4 characters in total, so I specify the num chars, the number of characters that I'd like to replace. Final comma separator, and then I've got to say to Excel, I've got to tell Excel, right, okay, what would you like to replace those 4 characters with? Well, of my choosing, I'm going to quote PROD unquote. So I'd like to replace the 4 characters in the middle of A2 with those 4 characters, or pretty much close to the middle anyway. Press return or enter, back up, fill handle, double click, fill down through to the bottom of my list. Let me just zoom in, go back up, F2, check it out. Let me just widen that column a little bit more, make it easier for you guys to see. Okay, so there is a nice illustration of the replace function in Excel, one of the text functions available to us. Very useful, again, that category of function for cleaning or tidying up your data. That's it from me, Mark Davis at Optimum Technology Transfer. Don't forget, by the way, before I do leave you guys, there's a good chance, of course, that what you will then do is kind of copy, paste special values and delete the original old order IDs for this particular example. But as I say, that's it from me, Mark, at Optimum Technology Transfer. Take care and bye-bye.